For homeowners and businesses seeking custom carpentry services in Texarkana TX, quality craftsmanship adds value, style, and function to every room and exterior space. From bespoke woodworking Texarkana projects to full residential carpentry Texarkana upgrades, tailored solutions can transform outdated interiors into polished, practical environments. Clients across Texarkana TX rely on Finnish Custom Carpentry Services Texarkana experts for trim and molding installation Texarkana, door and window trim carpentry Texarkana, and crown molding carpenter Texarkana services that sharpen the look of living rooms, kitchens, hallways, offices, and entryways. Whether near downtown Texarkana TX or throughout the wider Arkla Tex, custom carpentry services in Texarkana TX remain a top choice for property improvement. Built-ins are one of the most requested upgrades because they maximize storage while creating a seamless architectural look. A custom cabinet building Texarkana expert can design storage around kitchens, bathrooms, mudrooms, and laundry rooms, while built-in shelving carpentry Texarkana enhances family rooms, studies, and home offices. Many property owners also search for a custom bookcase builder Texarkana, built-in bookcase installation Texarkana TX, and custom wood shelving in Texarkana TX to create personalized storage that fits exact wall dimensions. From custom entertainment centers Texarkana to custom mudroom built-ins Texarkana TX and custom carpentry services Texarkana TX, and interior millwork specialist Texarkana TX can make every inch of space more useful. Interior detailing gives homes in Texarkana a finished, upscale appearance that stands out in any neighborhood. Finnish carpenter serving Texarkana TX homes often handles baseboard installation Texarkana, door casing and baseboard installation Texarkana TX, and custom carpentry services Texarkana Texas for both older homes and new construction. Homeowners frequently invest in wainscoting installation Texarkana, accent wall woodwork Texarkana, and wood accent wall installer Texarkana TX services to add texture and character to dining rooms, foyers, bedrooms, and offices. With interior woodwork services Texarkana and custom millwork Texarkana, every detail can be tailored to match the architecture, decor, and layout of the property. Outdoor improvements are equally important for curb appeal and everyday enjoyment in Texarkana TX. A wood deck custom carpentry services Texarkana experts can build custom decks for entertaining, relaxing, and increasing usable square footage outside the home. Porch carpentry services Texarkana and porch and patio woodwork Texarkana TX are ideal for front porches, screened patios, covered sitting areas, and backyard gathering spaces. Property owners looking for shade and style often hire a wooden pergola builder Texarkana or deck and pergola carpenter Texarkana TX to create elegant outdoor structures. These exterior carpentry upgrades are especially popular in residential communities around Texarkana, Wake Village, and nearby Nash TX. Commercial properties in Texarkana also benefit from skilled woodworking and finish work tailored to professional environments. Commercial carpentry services Texarkana include office build-outs, lobby upgrades, tenant improvements, trim packages, wall treatments, reception desks, shelving, and display features. Businesses often request commercial finish carpentry Texarkana TX for polished interiors that reflect their brand and improve customer impressions. Whether serving retail spaces, restaurants, offices, medical buildings, or mixed-use properties, an Arkla Tex Custom Carpentry Services Texarkana TX company can deliver dependable craftsmanship with scheduling and materials suited to commercial demands. Quality finish carpentry Texarkana supports both aesthetics and functionality in busy workspaces. Stairs, railings, and framing are major parts of structural and visual carpentry work in homes and commercial properties. A staircase carpentry Texarkana contractor can build or upgrade stair systems that improve safety while enhancing the look of entryways and multi-level interiors. Many clients also need a stair railing carpenter near Texarkana TX for handrails, balusters, newels, and custom wood stair components. In larger renovation or build-out projects, a wood framing carpenter Texarkana provides the foundational structure for walls, additions, rooms, porches, and exterior features. These services are often part of larger home custom carpentry services Texarkana and home renovation carpentry in Texarkana TX jobs. Kitchen and bathroom carpentry requires precision because every element must fit correctly while matching the style of the home. A kitchen custom carpentry services Texarkana TX contractor can install cabinetry, islands, trim, open shelving, wood panels, and decorative millwork that elevate both appearance and storage. In bathrooms, Bathroom Vanity Carpentry Texarkana TX provides custom-fit solutions for small powder rooms, primary baths, and family bathrooms needing unique layouts. Many homeowners seeking a Texarkana TX custom cabinet maker want handcrafted cabinets, bespoke woodworking Texarkana details, and custom millwork Texarkana that cannot be found in mass-produced materials. This attention to fit and finish delivers long-term value in daily use spaces. Choosing custom carpentry services Texarkana TX is about combining beauty, functionality, and durability in every project. From trim and molding installation Texarkana and crown molding and trim installer Texarkana TX work to custom cabinet building Texarkana, custom closet carpentry Texarkana TX, and built-in bookcase installation Texarkana TX, skilled carpenters create upgrades that feel personal and lasting. Whether the project involves residential carpentry Texarkana, commercial carpentry services Texarkana, porch and patio woodwork Texarkana TX, or a wooden pergola builder Texarkana, professional craftsmanship makes a measurable difference.